Hey guys, I have just came across Claudia Caldwell Keto Recipes.
Hey, it's Claudia Caldwell. Thank you for signing up for my free keto recipes today. You will receive an automatic email with all recipes straight to your email inbox in just a few minutes from now.
In this video, I will review Claudia Caldwell Keto Recipes and what I think about it. Honestly, the keto cookbook isn't that bad. It has a lot of comprehensive information about keto diet. If you're someone who would like to lose weight by getting into ketosis, the recipes can help you reach there faster than ever. The recipes are very easy to follow. You can find the recipes convenient and actually accessible at any time. Here is just a quick look on what you get once you purchase the product.
When you close this page, you won't have any other chance to get this beautiful keto package ever again. It's only available right here and right now while my blog is celebrating its anniversary. So the first thing you'll be receiving is a foolproof, science-based 30-day ketogenic meal plan. It's even one doctors can recommend. It's the same one I use myself to stay healthy and fit. With this plan as your guide, you will unlock the secret to losing at least 1 pound of body fat every 72 hours. But there's still more. In addition to my 30-day keto meal plan, my ketogenic food journal and grocery-ready food list, my 77 keto desserts cookbook. You will also receive my 100 keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. Have you ever failed on a diet because of carb cravings? I doubt anyone hasn't experienced that before. That's why I'm also going to give you my comprehensive keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. You'll love my 100 easy and tasty alternatives for your favorite carb recipes and treats, such as bread, rice, flour, pasta, lasagna, pizza crust, and so much more. So right now, you can get everything for just $29. But stop, because you don't even have to pay for the whole price today. I am so convinced that you'll reach your weight loss goals with my meal plan that I would love to offer you a $1 trial today.
As you see, you are offered $1 trial, and I believe it is an awesome deal to give the recipes a try. If you guys appreciate this review, please use my link down below. I am not sponsored nor paid to say what I say in this video. I give my honest opinion for Claudia Caldwell Keto Recipes. And if you are thinking to get it, feel free to click the link in the description box below. It will help me a lot. Thanks. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a very low-carb diet that's high in fat and moderate in protein. It's similar to other grain-free and low-carb diets like Paleo and Atkins, and calls for eating meats, dairy, eggs, fish, nuts, butters, oils, and non-starchy vegetables. Replacing most of the body's carbohydrate intake with fat causes it to be better at burning fat for energy. Usually, cells use blood sugar, which comes from carbohydrates, to create energy. But when there are more ketones, fat molecules, in the blood than blood sugar, the body will burn stored fat instead. This metabolic state is called ketosis. The diet isn't new. It's actually been used for centuries as a treatment for children with epilepsy whose seizures weren't responding to medication. You see, studies have shown that the keto diet is effective for reducing seizures. Because of this, researchers believe it may also have positive benefits for other neurological conditions like autism, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, traumatic brain injuries, and brain tumors. But keto is most popular for its weight loss benefits. The diet is often used to help control hunger and boost weight loss in people who are obese. It may also help with blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. Whether you're looking to try a keto diet for the first time or add new dishes to your routine, these recipes have you covered. Click the link in the description box below to claim your 21 free keto recipes. It will help a lot. Thanks.